Hi guys, today let's talking about which car will be more better for retirement. Yes, I'm listening you. Toyota, Sequoia, Highlander. Yes. But Patrick's Garage. Grab your snack, welcome back. So let's look more deeper. If your retirement, obviously you have a lot of spare time and you want to spend this time with more pleasure. You want to do what you desire to do, probably a lot of time. And now you have a lot of spare time when you retirement. So you want to messing with your old car? Probably you bought this car. Thing is, a lot of guys thinking about retirement and in a long period in advance, and they buying these cars which are really old now, but they are really complex. So will be better if you want really good reliable car when you old guy and you have a lot of experience driving around. You're not afraid this wrecks. You good driver with a lot of driver experience. So you want to buy probably expensive car which you want to restore, you want to planning your time, and you're able to do this, and you know your limits. You don't want to buy things which you're not able to repair. You want to find something simple, and you want to spend your money for car which you really desire, probably when you was kid. Yes, these dreams from our childhood really, this is really great dreams, and you want to accomplish a lot of things, probably this is cars which you really desire. Yes, even me, I have a lot of cars from my teenager when I wanted to buy these cars, but this was really unaffordable cars for me. And even today, I'm not able to find them in a good condition. But now, yes, I have two Volvos, 140 series, one of them from 60s and one of them from 70s. Yes, I'm really satisfied by these cars. But what you want to do if you retirement, you want to spend time with more pleasure as it will be possible. You don't want complex things, you want relaxing, but you never going relaxing when you finding this how you can solve these problems with electronics. Probably you don't want complicate your life or the rest of your life. You want to buy simple car from 60s. Probably this will be good decision for a lot of average guys. They old now, they don't want to complicate their life with things which will be broken. Yes, yes, I'm agree with you. You're saying me that Toyota the best match, the best choice for old guy, big truck Toyota. I'm agree with you completely. But not a lot of guys which able to spend a lot of money for new truck Toyotas. Probably you want to spend your money for old car from 60s. And you're familiar with a lot of people which can help you in this process of restoration. You can control them during all this process of restoration, and you're able to get car which will last forever, and you can driving this car each day. What the heck, why not, if you really want to do this? So I think really great car for old guy will be a reliable car from 60s. Car dream Car of my dream, yes, will be car from 60s. And I want to spend time. I know what I want to do, what I'm able to do, And I know that a lot of work will be done by professionals. You don't want to do a lot of work will be dirty. You don't want to smell these brake pads. This is dust really horrible for old guys. You don't want to change the brake pads. Yes, I'm agree. You don't want to replace these disc clutch discs. Also, this dust will be horrible for old guys. This is not healthy for old guys. For all people, this is not healthy. You want to protect. Probably I mentioned in my previous videos, as I think the main point. You should know your limits in this deal when you want to restore car, you want to start this process, you should know your limits. And yes, a lot of things can be happen. You can't predict, you never focused what will be next. And especially with old car. But thing is what I want to say, yes, you know your limits. And thing is that a lot of projects was not finished. They can't finish these projects because they think that this will be easy, but turns out will be not so easy. And when you old, you know yourself, you know your limits. So you don't want to take things which not need for you. But yes, you desire what you want, so you want to buy simple things. Because you know your limits, you can't desire what you really don't want, which not need for you. You want what you want and you have experience. And yes, what need for restoration, you have knowledge. You know how to repair things, probably all period of life. If you're old guy, you can repair these things in home, in a garage, where you have work with, you know how to repair things. And this is nothing wrong. If you want to repair old car, you see what you want to do, what you able to do with this particular car when you decide to buy this car for your enjoyable process of restoration. You want to buy a car for enjoy. Which car will be better for old guy? For driving around, yes, I'm agree with you completely. I'm hear you, yes, I'm hear you. I'm agree that Toyota the best match for old guy. But you really want to spend your time for things which you really love to do. You want to spend time and you want to enjoy this process of restoration. Yes, you want to driving truck, your truck Toyota. I am afraid to say old truck because new trucks also great as they used to be in olden days. Probably in nowadays Toyota's big truck, Toyota Sequoia, Highlander. I love these cars. Really, I want to admit that this will be best match for old guy. But if you have hobby for repair something, you want to repair things by own hands. So nothing wrong if you have old car and you want to messing with this car. Today we learned which car will be better for retirement. And yes, answer more than obvious. Toyota, Honda, yes. I'm not going to say you that European car probably they was great in olden days, but now Toyotas only. But yes, if you want to buy a car for retirement, for spend time, for messing with engine, with carburetor, yes, car from 60s will be best match without this crappy electronic, a lot of plastic under the hood. So, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.